now ama general. Yeah, I'll go back general. What do you mean? Ebe ga wi make kible. E ga we ndị ke hụna hu. Nkwapụ ga ka ha na akwapụ. Gishwe na ma general. Ke o ga wa ahịa ma. Trout. Lee anya ọfụma. Nwere otu onye ga ahụ. Ke kwa na gawa ụmụ ehiri. Ebe ke Honorable Chimannaji. Nwere onye na ya shops niile n'ebe a. Close. Onye ihu onye azụ. Ma ahịa ma. Everywhere. They deserted. Ụmụ school, Ogra school. Also ka onye ọbụla ji. Onye ọbụla nwere ihe dị ka ụmụ school anywhere. Nwere ihe dị ka a ga-aga school taa ma wechi. Nga m kwụ now, wo Junction. Ụlọ general lee somebody ya. Ị ga-ahụ ya ọfụma. Nwere ihe dị ka school asịkwa na school asịrị. Nwere otu onye ị ga-ahụ n'ụzọ. Iru ahịa ma etamchi. Ete ebe a dị. Ete aka ahịa ma dị. Nwere otu onye ị ga-ahụ. Nwa na onwe m. Ana m agbakwa n'onwe m ọsọ for safety. Because mgbọ enwede nwanne. So that is the thing. Umele ebe ka anyị now dey. In fact, ike gwụrụ. Thank you very much. Ndomoka. Ihe m ji eweta ihe aka ọnụ hwete ebe anyị dị. For now. Otu ruo na mgbede enwere ike ka ma dị. People apụta akwa 1122.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Shibrobi, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Ndiba Ozonano. Mmiri abi na-eru n'igwe ọya makwa na aboki mụọ ehi ọchị. Yes, mmiri a na-eru n'igwe ọya ma aboki mụọ ehi ọchị. Today they are happy. Tomorrow, who knows who is next? Because the people that you are happy that they will buy. Ha nwetakwa gị ha ma mere gị ebere. Tomorrow you will shout, oh, ndị a na-egbusisi ụmụ mmadụ, but you are happy that I egbu onye a. So enweta gị, do you think that the person will pity you when you jubilate na soso gbuo m? Egbuo na m, soso gbuo m, nweta gị echi. I will not pity you now. That's the law of karma, and that is the law of nature. Whatever you do today, just know that tomorrow you will shout, you will cry, oh, look at what is happening. But before you shout and cry, remember that you yourself were among those jubilating. Now, if you look at the video that I played to you at the early of this very program, that video is Okwuru Ọra, the peaceful Ako community. I don't know. Is this not the community that Okwuru Ọra said, onye ọbụla bi n'akụ na-agba ọsọ, ndị akụ niile na-agba ọsọ, this and that niile na-agba ọsọ. Peaceful Ako community. And if you hear from community leaders from Ako, they attacked the Okwuru Ọra, they countered the Okwuru Ọra, they said their community is one of the peaceful. Now, what they use Okwuru Ọra to do is a spy. Go and spy. And it is very, very painful that those who countered the Okwuru Ọra have to allow Okwuru Ọra. It's very, very painful. I do not say that they should buy Okwuru Ọra, but Okwuru Ọra should have eat the fruit of his own labor. That's just it. Because for a very long time, these very people have been standing gallantly to battle the insurgents, the insecurity, which Nigeria themselves created. Nigerian government and Nigerian military is the architect of insecurity. They are the pillars of insecurity. They are the criminals who are terrorizing the innocent people. Example, these are peaceful Ako community. They said BLA are in the community, but it was peaceful. Nobody was living. Nobody was running away. If BLA were so wicked, Market will not be operational in our community. Everything was calm, peaceful. All of you saw when Okwuru Ọra went there to lie. Okwuru Ọra said that the money contributed to Chinecherem was collected by Chinecherem, which is a pure lie, which Chinecherem them said, like you people had when Chinecherem died, right? The money that was contributed to Chinecherem, the father used that particular money to buy shuttle bus. But this was the money earlier on. Okwuru Ọra lied to you people that it has been collected, that you people should come and contribute another one. But the day that Chinecherem died, the sister to the man was making a video and said this was the money contributed the day Okwuru Ọra came. The day Okwuru Ọra came to the community. This was the money contributed the day Okwuru Ọra came to the community, not the money that was later sent by Okwuru Ọra. I want you to underline that word. The father of Chinecherem used the money that was contributed the day Okwuru Ọra came to the community. That's the underlining words. And yeah, I don't know if I can see the video. Get the video of the Chinecherem's event. I just don't know if I can get it, but ije dem not by this very morning. You may not understand, but I am praying to God. You people should equally pray to me. I'm asking the conscientious ones, not these people that when they buy their own kings, they will be happy. Do you think that I will be happy when you buy? So if you are happy that they are buying other people, before they buy, when it remains only you, will you be happy again? Don't you know that there is power in numbers? This is the only reason why I see you people as criminals. You are happy. Yes, I am happy. I am happy. The politician ravaging your land. They are the criminals ravaging your land. Are they the Nigerian military? Then the Nigerian military. But our community was a peaceful community until the Nigerian military arrived. Watch them giving the turnout of events in their community. How the Nigerian army invaded their community. How the Nigerian army became a criminal syndicate in their community. Our community was a peaceful community before the invasion of Nigerian army. Don't you know that? Some of you had to reason. Oh, you people are joining that on Jabala called what is his name? Jovika. Many of you don't know the criminal called Jovika. When Jovika came out, he wrote that a reverend father will reply that people should share his program. That a reverend father, he wants to reply to Mbaka attacking the people, calling them names and saying, oh, why are you fighting for Biafra, volunteering yourself and dying? Why is it that the people that sent you do not come and die for the same event? That is the thing that brought that Onyo he called Jovika out. A reverend father will reply in Baka. Everybody started sharing it. I shared it. Him and Governor Potaram Burubapo. This content creator. On our social media, Jomo Biafra create content. Oji Chana Baka create enke. I don't listen to such a people. If not that Daddy Orama and the Biafra Unite use them to do program, I don't listen to them. That guy is not non and avoid. In America, when I did his, one thing that made me to stop doing exposition about him is that when I did the first exposition and started getting the turnout of event testimony, he was knocking people's wife in America, making people to divorce their wife, then na-ekuchi ụmụ nwunye mmadụ, during which one of them attacked me that I'm spreading falsehood against his man of God and say, okay, sister, you are welcome. I was told anyway that their women syndicate will come. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please. I am here to preach to you nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke na-akọ mmiri, that is the only thing that have brought me. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. If you don't know that I'm preaching the undiluted truth, just forget about it. Eziokwu nke na-akọ mmiri, that is one thing that I have brought upon your platform. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please. Depends how much, but we must continue. We must continue. We must continue. This Biafra must be gotten, no matter what ever happen. If you look from here and you do not see me, continue fighting for Biafra. Are you getting me? There are orchestrated plans, but Almighty Elohim will disgrace them. Almighty Elohim will disgrace them. Almighty Elohim will disgrace them. So I stopped doing exposition about this Kelekuku called Jovika. But let's just go back to Ako community. Let's just go back to Ako community. I don't know if I can get the video of Chinecherem's sibling or sister or father's sister, on auntie or aunt, nke ọbụla ịmụ oyibo anaghị adị mma n'ọnụ. Oyibo anaghị adị mma n'ọnụ, ọ bụ mụnwa mere oyibo. English is not wisdom and it is not education. Those people, oh, you are not educated because you know how to oyibo, lenu your brain. You have not come out from mental slavery. Onyo chaka jigi brain ga abacha. Ndị China na say English, but they are greater than the English people. Your brain. Japan on say English, but they are greater than Japanese people. Your brain is that what is happening to your brain is that you have occupied it with English. So you don't want to occupy your brain with techniques and the wisdom. You occupy your brain with English. Sindum, sikrindum, santunkum, sakurums. Ihu ebe aha ya pụta bịa sụọ ya ọfụma. Asị ole one idiot vana kpọrọ king. Echi wee nye Mike. Kwuo ihe na-eme in your community. King sị na ya ọ bụ professor bido. Asị kitum, sindrum, dankutus akumdum bums. Nnele so le na ara. Nwoke ha tosiri ịtụ ịga kpọrọ ga psychiatric. Ana-akụrụ ya aka na ọ na-asụ oyibo. Sugide the nonsense. Onweghị onye n'ebe a ghọtara ihe ọ na-akọ. Even onye ọcha himself nọ ọ gbara hagharị. Have you seen a white man, an Englishman speaking tsundum, susunkum, sansundums? They speak simple English. Most of them don't know that the vocabularies in the English language is a borrowed language. They don't know. And the Englishman knows their own language, not a borrowed language. That is one thing that they don't know. When you speak that borrowed language to Englishman, he will be looking at you like Oluku. Many of you who claims to be educated don't even know that. But as usual, Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi is here to bring your brains to life, to teach you that which you refuse to know and which you don't want to know. Let us go back to Ako community. Okwuru Ọra lied to your people just because of his personal aggrandizement. Had it been that very dark man do not expose Okwuru Ọra, not a very dark man, please. The people, Omere scam, do not expose Okwuru Ọra. By now, we would be believing that Okwuru Ọra is though when he was doing that, I have said that this guy is a criminal. Yes, going by his looks and his this thing and his words, his utterances, he speaks so much like onye na-ayọ ndị mmadụ ego na-speak ka ya nwa bụ president. He have arrived. I knew that this is a criminal. Okwuru Ọra is a top criminal in Igbo land. Contribute money to Okwuru Ọra to your own peril with his sympathetic story. He told you people that na anaragokwe Chinechere m ego. Ego a contributor Chinechere m. Chinechere m pipe dị ya n'obi, pipe dị ya n'obi, pipe dị ya n'amụ, pipe dị ya na kidney, pipe dị ya na nkọnkọ, pipe dị ya n'ụkwụ, pipe dị ya n'imi, pipe dị ya n'isi, pipe dị ya n'anya, just for you to contribute money. After contributing money, I know that they give you. Forget that money that I donated 100,000. I donated. Okwuru Ọra never donate 1 naira. You see that money where una dey here I donated. It is a hype. I will tell people, okay, I will donate, so that they will donate. And after then, Okwuru Ọra smiles to the bank. On his own court and his own share. Go and ask many people. Even many people have said it in the time past. Court and share. And their own court and their own lawyer and share. If you doubt me, ask them before now, what are their business? What are their business? Have you wondered to ask them where they got the money that they lavish in a lavish lifestyle? Have you wondered to ask them? And that Ukulundi Oluku have sold you people out. But the people that contributed money to Okwuru Ọra, he left. After leaving, he lied to you people that the men on the ground collected that money from Chinechere just because he wants to milk another money. And when that thing, many of you have forgotten, that is what Ako community is suffering today. They have deserted for the simple reason why of Okwuru Ọra. So who is criminal? Okwuru Ọra is unrepentant criminal, unapologetic criminal. That is what he is. That is whom he is. Unapologetic. The people deserted the community because of Okwuru Ọra lies and deceit. Because he has sold the community out. Because he has sold the people out. And the people deserves better. They deserve to live. Ako community deserves to live. This are peaceful Igbo community. Our peaceful people, our peaceful homes. It's very, very heartbreaking that the people that people trusted, that our people are vulnerable. Very, very vulnerable. They want people to secure them. They want people to save them. These are the last survivors of the genocide committed against us by Nigerian government. It's very, very heartbreaking. Our people, though our people are gullible, but they don't deserve to die. They never deserve to die. It's not whom they are. May God help us. These very people never deserve to die. Almighty God will save us. We don't deserve to die. We are going into extinction by our own want and our own greed. We are going into extinction. I am doing my own part that my ancestors may know that I have tried. We are going into extinction by our own greed, self-hate we inflicted on our own selves. inhuman treatment against our own selves just because our own greed and our own wants. We deceive our own people to go the way they are today. Just look at Aku. Have you wondered the fear, the anxiety in the community just because of Okwuru Ọra greed? Have you wondered? Have you asked yourself, what about the children that this man said school closed? Have you asked yourself, when the children was running, the fear? All of you are fathers. Have you checked the way you feel if you get your child being so much afraid? You feel heartbroken, right? You feel unsettled, right? You spend sleepless night just because of your son, right? And you never think or put yourself in the shoes of the mothers and fathers from that community. We don't deserve this. Our own people don't deserve this. But Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the creator of heaven and earth, will give us life. Will make these very people to settle. Will make these very people to stand strong and stand firm. I am speaking now just like a lone voice in the wilderness, though there are other voices in the wilderness. But within my own end, I am the lone voice towards this very platform, speaking to you, to your own conscience. Most of the times when I feel what is happening, I wonder the people that call themselves educated people, educated morons. Check the amount of childbirth that we bear in the land of Biafra. The childbirth have dropped. Even the majority are girls. Then the boys are being pied every now and then. Have they checked the amount of boys being pied in Igbo land as a whole and check if they are moving front or moving back? Have they checked the amount of girls remaining husbandless? Our ladies remain unmarried everywhere. Remain unmarried. They are being forced to join hookup now because nobody to take care of them, nobody to cater them. We then laugh, oh, this girl is doing hookup, and it is sweetening your mind. You don't know that you are going into extinction. Umuaboki. It is well. Only Almighty God will have mercy on me and upon our people, upon our Igbo, because this thing is too much. But we must continue. Forward ever, backward never. We must continue. As a matter of fact, we must make sure that the land of Biafra is secured. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the lies, the propaganda, it doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, truth will prevail. Because we are the very best of the best species in the world. At the end of this very God-ordained preaching, truth will stand. Because Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, is God and not man. And only him will give us the desired freedom, which human being cannot give us. Elohim is God. I want you to get that at the back of your mind. Elohim is God and not man, and can never be man. Only him will give us the desired freedom. Human being can never give it to you. Not today, not tomorrow, never. They can never give you that desired freedom. Only Elohim is the person that will give it to you, because he is God and not man. And his decision remains final. On the face of the planet Earth, his decision remains final. No human being will take decision where Elohim have not taken decision. No human being amobe onye ofuma. the person is not born yet. It is only God who knoweth the beginning from the end, and only him will give you the lasting, everlasting solution, which no one and no man can give to you. We proceed. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke na-akụ mmiri, that is the only thing that I have brought upon you, upon this very platform. Chukwu Okike, hear me. Ajani, hear me. Anyanwụ, hear me. Arọbụlago ndị Igbo, hear me. Ajani Igbo, hear me. Mmiri niile nọ n'ala Igbo, hear me. Ajani nri, hear me. Mmụọ niile nọ n'ala Igbo, hear me. It is me preaching nothing. Eziokwu nke a na-akụ mmiri, that is the only thing that I have brought upon this very platform. That is the only thing. So they said, what is it? When they captured Okwuru Ọra in that community, according to Okwuru Ọra, he said he was kidnapped. According to the people, oh, we did not kidnap Okwuru Ọra. In fact, we exchanged pleasantries. And we have to believe the ones of the people because the community is very peaceful. Okwuru Ọra said that the guy is very, very peaceful and loving. No, Okwuru Ọra sold them out because of his own greed. I blame the people that have to allow Okwuru Ọra because of Otata Okwuru Ọra memere ọnụ njabala. Okwuru Ọra sold the people of Akon. If you are looking at what is happening in our community, go after Okwuru Ọra and ask Okwuru Ọra, why did you sell our own community? Go and ask him. Because of his greed. You are go on the internet. Oh, every time on his business, okay, don't problem. Oh, your why you survive? How many people have he ego for? How many of them survive? How many of them buy? It is the story all the time. Chukwu will hear us and have mercy on us. Then, can happen gonunka. Please and please, there is something that I would have to ask our own people in this Biafra agitation because I saw many things going on social media about Capital City. The people that said they visited Capitol. I don't need to say anything on this very platform now. I don't need to condemn anything, but I have some few questions to ask them. But that will come in another program. Just few questions, and hope they get prepared to answer those few questions on the comment section. And you know, in this very Biafra, I will tell you one thing that you must take to bank is that Nwashigburobi will never be part and parcel of those who will deceive our own people. I will not. You see, being part and parcel of those who will deceive our people, I no go do them. Other people may do it too, for their own self-aggrandizement. Also, here. I will not do it. As a matter of fact, nobody knows my plight except from few individuals calling me, asking, and I thank them. I thank them immensely. From Yoyo to Obieze to Freeman, Ike to Onye, to one of our sister, to one of our brother. In fact, this our brother have been fantastic. One of our brother who have been caring about me, he have been fantastic. To every one of them, to every one of you, I thank all of you. Humanity will bear all of you witness. One thing that I have taken oath to do is I don't want to uh, sell my conscience, and I would never sell my conscience. I would never sell my conscience. If you love the undiluted truth that I preach here, you must stand here. And I thank you, Nkem Dele. Is it Nkem Dele? Nkem something. This lady or this man have been wonderful also on YouTube, asking people, pleading for people to help. Onyebuchinwa Ashigburobi. He have been very wonderful, very, very wonderful. And I thank you. I thank you. I think humanity will bear you witness to this very day. One thing that I must assure you is that it is forward ever, backward never. And I must get the freedom that we desire, or else we all perish. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless uh, the conscientious Biafrans who love truth and stands on the truth. God bless you who have never run away from this very freedom. Because some people will say, I don't believe in Biafra, it will not come. Nke na ayatọgharị kada. Nke na go onwe gị na comment na ayatọgharị ka. Because you have sold your own self thorough in order to collect money. At the end of this very thing, God will give us freedom. That I can assure you. From me from here, from the temple of the Grace, it is good morning, please.